Hello, this is your teacher Cindy Ulate, and we are here today to talk a little bit about soft skills. So, what about soft skills? Any doubts? Don't worry, here's the answer. Soft skills are those skills that become part in a person, everything that makes you be who you are, from the inside to the outside. There are personal skills. And personal skills are those things we are good at, our strengths, abilities, and attributes. Some of these personal skills are communication, teamwork, adaptability, and emotional intelligence. Communication is one of the most important skills. It enables us to pass information to other people and also to understand what it is said to us. In the second place, we have teamwork. A good team player has the team goals clear in his or her mind and works with others in order to achieve them. In the third place, we have adaptability. It refers to the ability of a person to change his actions, course of approach to doing things in order to suit a new situation. In the number four, we have emotional intelligence, and it refers to the capability of a person to manage and control his or her emotions and possess the ability to control the emotions of others as well. Despite personal skills, there are also professional skills. And professional skills are career competencies that often are not taught or acquired as part of a coursework required to get a career. Some of these professional skills are leadership, project management, problem solving, and coaching. Leadership is strengths and abilities individuals demonstrate that help oversee processes, guide initiatives, and steer their employees toward the achievement of goals. We can also mention project management, and it is the process of using skills in order to take a project from start to finish. There are also problem-solving skills, and these are abilities to apply both logic and creativity to solve problems, which is something highly valued by employers. Last but not least, we can have coaching, and it can be defined simply as skillful questioning to bring out the best in people, helping them achieve their goals. So, sounds exciting? Well, see you soon to talk a little bit more about soft skills. Thank you for watching.